So listen, yo, if you have not realized that subscription-based income is literally the key to wealth in 2025 and for years to come, then I would say you need to become a bit more financially savvy, okay? The only issue for about 99% of people watching this is that you have no idea what specific business model that you could possibly start right now today and actually give yourself a real-life shot at generating $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 in nearly automated monthly recurring income. Well, that is the purpose of this video. I'm going to be showing you by far one of, if not the most profitable way known to man, if you want to be honest, to start generating subscription-based income. The most profitable business model, scalable, and the most efficient for the average person watching this. What I'm talking about is starting your very own software business. Now, do not let the word software scare you. You don't have to be any bit tech savvy, have a lot of money, or know how to code to be able to start this. You just have to learn how to learn something that you have no idea about. But the only issue is always that you would either have to know how to code yourself or pay a software engineer, right? So how could you actually start your very own software product without having to go through any of these barriers of entry? Well, that is where the no code software part comes into play, right? So this is how you can actually use no code builders like High Level or even AI builders like Lovable to go and build entire fully functioning software products, extremely valuable applications that would have cost you tens, if not hundreds and thousands of dollars to actually pay a software engineer to go build out for you. The reason why this is so profitable is because once you have a software product built one time and you have a website around it, you can basically sell your software an infinite number of times. There's no shipping, there's no inventory. So every single user you get, you can be getting paid numbers like $97, $297, $597, even $1,000 every single month to have business owners and consumers, depending on how you want to position and what type of software you want to start, paying for your solution every single month because it's valuable to them and it helps them make money as well, of course. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what this looks like so that you can see if this is something that you want to take a shot at as well. If you do, make sure you click on the links in the description. You'll get access to my 100% free course and community where I'll show you step-by-step tutorials, hour-long, showing you every button to click to actually go from knowing nothing watching this video to truly executing this as fast as possible. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So it first all starts off with this software company called High Level. High Level is one of the main innovators and platforms to actually allow people to sell software and start their very own software business as an entrepreneur. This company is located in Dallas, Texas. They are worth over $1 billion now because a lot of people are flooding to their platform once you see how valuable of a solution that you can have on your hands. So you can go ahead and create an account. Once you click the link below, you'll be able to get the free trial. You go ahead and type in your information, just skip all of the steps. You don't have to let High Level set anything up for you. And then you should be in a dashboard like this. So this right here is High Level software. And this looks like basically, every other software solution that you've logged into where there's tabs on either the left, the top, the right. And then once you click on the buttons inside of their software, it's going to be able to access and do whatever the website set the software is going to do and provide the solution that the business owner or consumer was looking for. Now, where it gets a bit interesting is here. So High Level actually is the first platform to come up with something like this. They actually have a marketplace full of pre-built profitable marketing and AI marketing software products, features, tools, and solutions that they have inside of their software. And basically what you can do is once you actually dive into this business model and you get a better feel about what type of features you can sell, what type of softwares you could see yourself selling into what industries and niches, that is when you'll truly understand what you have on your hands and why you should highly consider dedicating your entire life to this business model. So once you get a better feel about what you want your software business to be about, the features you want to sell, you can actually see, you can categorize what type of fields, what type of marketing and AI software solutions you want to play in. Advertising, for example, one of the most profitable industries, the most profitable companies, Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all of those social media platforms, their number one revenue stream is paid advertisements. And there's tons of these simple, innovative software solutions that High Level provides that can help business owners increase their conversion rates on paid advertisements, for example. But that also goes for calendar booking and scheduling for business owners, content management software, CRM software, e-commerce software, data management software, lead generation software, the lifeblood of every single business, project management software, marketing automation. The list just goes on. And you can even filter specific industries that you want to cater these softwares to. Maybe it's industries that you are passionate about or worked in before. High Level excels and is known for providing the most standard, profitable software solutions that business owners need, local business owners in specific, to help them rank higher on Google Maps, increase their website traffic, increase their digital presence, search engine optimization through their software solutions. Once you actually do have the features you want to sell, how do you actually make this your software, right? So if I click on this settings tab down here, click on company tab, and then click on this white label tab right here, this is where I can actually white label high level software. So white labeling has been around for a long time, even at the corporate level, but people don't necessarily know what this means. So this is just where you can actually take another product or service and that company gives you a license to sell it. As soon as you create an account with high level, you are automatically licensed to resell their software. And basically you can take it, rebrand it, and sell it as your very own. So right now you see that high level has their logo at the top left, but if I go to a design platform like Canva, type in tech logo, automatically I would get a library full of professional grade logos. You could literally spend like 5 minutes on these. These are truly all you need because logos aren't the most important thing in the world. You can press share, press download, press transparent background, then download that file. Then if you go back to high level, you press upload logo, you click on that file, and like magic, now it says your AI software. It'll be your software business name with your logo instead of high level. That's actually step 1 of 3 of completely white labeling high level. Literally the next step is to go and change it from www.highlevel.com to yourbusinessname.com. So you can actually go to a sub account, click on the settings tab, click on domain, and then you can actually go ahead and purchase a domain name, the URL name, directly from high level. So let's just say your software is called Your Awesome Software, TYT, whatever. Then I'm going to press search. And then you can go ahead and buy a domain for like $10, right? So once you buy this domain, you go back to that white label tab, and then you can type in something like app.yourbusinessname.com. You press add domain, you go through a couple of steps, set up the DNS records, and now once you refresh, it'll go from app.highlevel.com to yourbusinessname.com. And then as soon as you do that, automatically, if somebody was to go and copy and paste and go and try to type in your domain name, it wouldn't take them directly into your software, but it would take them into a login page like this, and it would say create an account. They'll type in their email, type in their password, press sign in, and then they will be able to get access to your software, and it'll have your logo up here instead of high levels. You can customize this as well, but this is all automatically configured for you, and this is exactly how software companies get paid. Once you dive into this a bit more, you'll see the full process as time goes on. Step 2 is done. All you have to do is change the colors, change the dashboard to how you want it. You can completely rearrange this with no code. I'm going to show you how simple it can be. I would recommend you use a Chrome extension. So go to the Chrome extension library. You should always be on Google Chrome when you're doing this, and you type in Visual CSS Editor, and then go ahead and download this Chrome extension. If you go back to high level, you click on this puzzle bar up here, you can scroll down and find this Visual CSS Editor tab. This is where you can easily customize high levels background color for one. Simple as that. Boom, you see the colors change, but obviously we're not going to use that. We're going to typically use some gradients. This one right here fits perfectly. I can change the orientation. You see all of the options that we have over here, and then you can also change the size, the blend, the positioning. You can move the sidebar up as you want to. You can change the sizing of everything in here. No coding, whatever you want to do. Once finished, you're going to press export. Then you're going to go ahead and copy and paste all of this code right here, then back out. Then all you have to do on that white label tab is scroll down, copy and paste that code in this custom CSS tab, press save changes, then refresh the page. And then just like that, you see the colors of my software dashboard actually changes. So hopefully you can begin to see how valuable this actually is. But once you have your software product fully built, how do you actually begin to truly start selling software online, and what does that look like? Well, same thing for every single other business that you could ever start. You need a website. So I'm going to show you how to actually go to a platform called Framer. This is by far the most modern and best website building platform for the average person watching this video 100%. If I just go and type in, let's type in software. And as you can see, a library full of professional grade software product websites at your fingertips that you can actually easily customize, cater to your solutions, and use for your business. This is very trustworthy websites, easy to go ahead and customize. High Level actually has this exact same solution. They have a content AI tab, so you can start a content, text to video / image software product through High Level as well. That's just one of the many features that you can build an entire software around. You can replace this with with your dashboard, and then go ahead and customize the rest to your liking. This is how you can literally copy and paste multi-million-dollar software companies, their websites, the exact same ones that they run paid advertisements to, drive traffic to this website link through various outreach methods that I literally go through in hour-long videos in my course. And on this website is where you're going to sell your software through. So people can actually go to your website, get free trials of your software, or maybe schedule an appointment with you if you want to do some custom work, agency type work for these business owners as well, and get paid high upfront costs for setting up some of these AI solutions that High Level has. They have all of the AI agents and voice AI agents to help business owners answer phone calls, text messages, emails. They also have a website template library. So plenty of services you can tag along and take more of an agency approach, and then add on the software solutions to get the monthly subscriptions like these in the back end. This is not a good example of pricing typically, but I have softwares where I'm charging not just $50, $100, $200, $500. I'm charging $800, even $1,000 for some of my lead generation software products that I have active and running right now today. So that is exactly an overview of the process of how you can go from creating an account with High Level, building out a software product, figuring out the features you want to sell, getting a website around it. Obviously, there's more steps to setting up your payment and all that good stuff, but this is exactly what it looks like to start an online business as a software company. So that is why it is so attractable. And for the average person watching this video, High Level is 100% the platform you need to be on when you are trying to go and start your very first profitable software business. There is also another option to actually build software apps out without having to write any code, simply just by prompting words with AI software builders. Let's go and see what that looks like right quick. So this right here is a software called Lovable. And it says create apps and websites by chatting with AI. So you can literally just think of anything, any solution that a software could solve, type it up, and it will literally create and code you an entire mock draft of a fully functioning software in minutes. This is 100% one of the greatest and most valuable websites that you've probably ever seen in your life that has ever been known to man, right? So if you wanted to create a software of your favorite sports betting app or dating application, or you wanted to create a restaurant management software because you worked as a waitress and the software that you guys had to manage tables was shit, like real life complex software solutions or simple software solutions, such as the one I'm going to show you right now. Let's say I wanted to create a software. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste the prompt that is going to help business owners rank higher when people type in their industry near them. So I want an SEO tool somewhat similar to the $100 million software company called SemiRush. I would like features that help business owners get more Google reviews, that help them send off automatic text messages and emails to their customers requesting more Google reviews. I would like for them to be able to see where they rank in the local search engine and the progress they've made in the rankings. And also I would like a feature that gives them AI generated suggestions to help them rank higher as well. And then actually provide them with the actionable steps that they can use and maybe have as upsells in your software. Look at some of the most innovative software and AI software features that have been known for this type of solution inside of the software. And now Lovable is thinking. It says, I love this vision. You're looking for a comprehensive local SEO platform, core features right here, additional innovative features we could add, and you'll be able to change the dashboard, the layout, whether you want tabs on the left, right, the same way you did with High Level, just by prompting and typing up words. And then just like that, I have a baseline fully functioning software with all of the features that I was just talking about: AI, SEO recommendations, send out Google review requests, citation management, and a whole bunch of other valuable features that advanced software companies have that Lovable had automatically suggested because the AI is much, much smarter than you and me, myself. Okay, so you see the tabs are at the top of their software. You can connect a domain name to this as well, the same way you did with High Level, connect a domain name. You can customize the dashboard where they actually create their account, all that good stuff. This just makes absolutely no sense. This is the reason as to why it makes no sense for anybody to go to college to be a software engineer, because AI can truly do the work of a team of 100 software developers working on a software product. Somebody can prompt up an essay and AI can create that same exact software they were going to create in just a matter of 10-15 minutes. Makes no sense. So that is why, if you have never seen anything like this before, it is a absolutely great option to truly dive into and learn and figure out what software solution you actually want to sell, get a website that correlates to it, and then learn digital marketing to promote your website website link, which has never been easier in 2025. Although the economy is bad, there are more softwares, AI tools out there in different tech stacks that you can actually leverage to truly generate traffic. Very cool. Again, you will get extra free credits when you sign up using the link below. But if you didn't know, now you know. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. You know what to do if you want to take action on something like this. This is one of the business models where you see for the first time, like myself and everybody else in the high level community, in the no code community, we all seen this and we said, hey, that is it. That is what I want to start. And if you see that you have that same feeling, because this is something that you can see yourself executing, most definitely go ahead and tap in with me inside of the free course so you can get on track and get to taking the actionable steps needed as soon as possible. So with that being said, that's all I got for you, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.